Hi, everyone. This is the final part of our series on common opposite phrasal verbs. Thank you all for loving this episode. You can find the other parts linked in the description. Work out. Slack off.
Work out. Slack off.
Warm up. Cool down.
Warm up. Cool down.
Turn around. Keep going.
Turn around. Keep going.
Take over. Step down.
Take over. Step down.
Stick to. Give up.
Stick to. Give up.
Run out. Stock up.
Run out. Stock up.
Run away. Come back.
Run away. Come back.
Put up with. Give up on.
Put up with. Give up on.
Knock down. Build up.
Knock down. Build up.
Go ahead. Hold back.
Go ahead. Hold back.
Figure out. Get confused.
Figure out. Get confused.
Drop out. Enroll in.
Drop out. Enroll in.